Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Thursday, August 8th, 2024. Right now it's on 9:41. So the futures opened yesterday, and it's first it kind of like a struggle to going above the opening zone here, and later it came back down and it actually broke below, and it actually came down pretty quickly and pretty hard. And but it's just kind of about that what about 33 points. I think this is about 35 ish, and then it come back, and so it came back quickly here, and as we can see here is quickly it's kind of was able to make a new high here, and then basically it's kind of, though it's not able to go above this opening zone, but it's kind of like staying here and just chopping around, and then it basically later kind of steadily going higher, and it come back to the opening level. I mean, not opening level, the closing level. So, but one thing worth noting is that it went down this much. It went back up just based on this opening center, and this is a symmetric. This basically is the symmetric level of that move, and then it came back down, and basically just kind of chopping around this center, and also kind of for a long time, basically for entire night, and until 8:30 it broke up. It broke above here, and it was able to get back above the middle of previous day, and yeah, we could look at the opening here. So opening is quite volatile. It kind of first kind of make a low and then go higher and come back low, and it broke below this opening zone. And but one thing here is that the move here is right about 33 points, and it stopped right there. It's about a half of this what I put out here, X, and then going higher, and it basically went to this new base, so it went to this base, and then it continued higher, and so eventually it make another 33 some points kind of move, which is at like it's a kind of like a heel 5300 level, and then from there it continue kind of move higher, and as we can see here, it's been kind of chopping around here and a lot, but it's a pretty much is staying between the high here and the middle. This middle is like since it touched this base from the low of here to the high over here. So that's the middle, and it continues to do so. It kind of, after each time it came back to the middle, it went higher, and here is like it broke above. This is like after 12 o'clock, and I think that we will think that it's going to make a heck of a run from here, but it seems like pretty kind of like I guess a lot of profit taken here, and then it went back down to this midpoint level, and then continue going higher. And yes, from here to here, that's kind of like for sure it's more than like 33 points. So the thing is that from the low here going all the way up here, is this is kind of like here is a 63. So from the opening here to here is like to 52.67. That's like that 67.55 points move, and then from here there's another 67 points kind of move here. It's just shy of that a bit. So yeah, that's what happened there, and then it came back. Later it came back down, but it did not kind of reach to the middle here, and if we look at this level, 5300 level, the closing is like a kind of the symmetric level of this, the low of here to here. So 5319 ish. So that's what it closed out for the day, and apparently this is a very strong day, and it was able to close near the high. And right now future had already opened and is kind of like continue the volatility, and it seems like kind of probably in many sense is somewhat kind of neutral, because from this move here, well, first kind of it broke above, and later it broke down. It actually broke below this, like the symmetric level down here, and then it come back pretty sharply. So as of right now, I think I would say this level, like a 5360 level here, and the other one would be the low here, 5336. Those are two very important level. I guess it has most kind of intense reactions. So if they break out on either side, market likely going to go that directions. So tomorrow likelihood is probably going to move about 50 points ish. So maybe 60 points. I'm thinking that may be pretty reasonable, and then that would take it to if we say more kind of similar as what we see today, then tomorrow we are talking about it could go back to like a 5400, and at the downside it will be 5240 ish. But I would say, let me take a look at here. Yeah, if we look at this, right, so midpoint of today is a 52.80, so maybe if it coming back down, it may be coming back down to this is 52.80, and with that, that's kind of like anyway, I would stick with probably 60 or 50 or 60 points ish kind of move, and so on the upside there will be 53.80, and on the downside we're going to it could possibly be back down to here like a 50 to 60-ish level. So let's take a quick look at the calendar. In terms of calendar, so tomorrow actually, so Friday is strange. I did not check earlier, but there's only like a big huge oil rig count, and that's all. I did not see any other items on the economic calendar here. So it will be interesting to see what's going to happen tomorrow, and hopefully the tension in Middle East that could be kind of alleviated somewhat, but we don't know. And if say people continue to freak out over the weekend, fearful of anything could happen over the weekend, then yeah, tomorrow that we could possibly see another sell-off, and we just don't know. As of right now, is I would say just neutral, and it could going up. It seems like it has to finish reaching to some certain level first, like 53.80-ish, that kind of level. So it will be interesting. It probably have to that no matter what, it would reach there first before kind of coming back down. That's all I have to share. Thank you all and wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.